In this video, we will create a beautiful animated ad in Canva on coffee break. We will use only the match and move transition for this video ad. It will be portrait or vertical, and there will be call to action as well. Let's do it. Let's first create a frame that will host our first image. The frame will be a square 1080 by 1080 pixels, and it will go to the top center. I'll now drag in my first image onto the frame. Let me duplicate this page. And now on this second page, we will have 3 images. Same for the third page. As you can see, I duplicate the first image and then I replace the image behind with my second coffee image. Next, I will reduce the image in the front to a small thumbnail. We will soon see why that is required. Now the second image will have a duplicate, as you can see, and the image behind will receive the third picture as I click it from the left pane. The top image will go back to center top. As for thumbnail, I will open the layers on the left and drag it to the top. And then I will drag the thumbnail 2 to the top center of this page. Okay, let me duplicate this page and we now get the third page. The first thing I do here is delete the thumbnail that is carried from the second page. It's not required here. A new thumbnail will take its place. As you watch me doing the steps, they are the same here too, but the images will be a bit different. What this means is that the second and third slides or pages will have 3 images, but the fourth and the last slide will have one less. It will have 2 images. Watch me doing the steps. We'll come back after they are done. Okay, let's now find out how the animation will look like. For that, I'll go to the thumbnail view. This gives an overall idea at a glance. We have a couple of work here. First, let me fix the duration of all slides to 2 seconds. Next, going to the transition menu that comes at left, I'll choose match and move for all pages. And then change the duration of transition to 0.7 seconds. Let's check how the animation is working. Fine, if you ask me. Right. Let me go to the first slide. And here I will be doing some more design. First, I will have thumbnails of all the 3 images used in this ad. They will be arranged in a row equidistant from one another. Each will represent the respective image in the final video ad, adding a bit of zing to the ad. There is one more thing to do here. There will be a black border around the thumbnail that will shift as the coffee image changes from one to the next. You will see that when the ad is finally played. Okay, now that the basic designing is over, we will have some copy for the ad and a call to action button. This is rather easy in Canva as you watch me doing the steps. Canva has a huge stock of ready to use elements, and all you have to do is drag the right one onto your page. We'll come back after this is complete on the first page or slide. The last step is to copy this lot from the first page and then going over to the other pages, paste them on to other pages. They remain static, especially the add copy and the CTA button. The border will of course change, and that will be the last bit of cleaning up of the ad. Okay, now that all things are done, let's see how the final ad looks like. I would say it's fine. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, that completes this animated ad design. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on ad design and Canva AI. For more, check out the description below. That's all for now. Thanks for your time.